So earlier today, I put on my social media that either someone was playing a trick on me or my motorcycle got stolen. Well, this is an update. This is actually a good news, bad news update. Okay, the update is, first of all, I should say that I know exactly how this happened. So many times when I get off my motorcycle, take my helmet off, a lot of motorcycles have this compartment where you open it up, you can put things in, you can also lock your helmet in there. I left with the key still in it. And this is one of those times. Now, Korea being as Korea is, it's always wonderful, and I'm not surprised at all when I go back out to my motorcycle, I do the palm face, because I realize my keys are sitting there, and I'm just like, yep, Korea's cool. Nobody stole my motorcycle. Well, this time my luck ran out. So big shocker. Good news. Good news is, although I did say, shit, I kept my head. In fact, I even giggled a little bit because, frankly, I've been lucky because I've left the darn keys in my motorcycle so many times. A few times I've even left it in the ignition overnight once. Motorcycle's still there. Good news continued. I decided to, while keeping my cool, I decided to keep my cool even more and have a cool drink while keeping my cool. And in order to keep my cool while having a cool drink, I thought I'd go for a thought walk. Okay, bad news. I was walking. I was not riding my motorcycle. Now, good news. During that walk, I realized that I was, frankly, not pleased with the way my life is going nowadays. I know, and now I know even more, I was not created to be idle. Just, I'm not good at sitting still, and I'm not good at just doing nothing or doing little even. So I decided that okay, I got to make a change. A slap in the face, my motorcycle stolen, helped wake me up to realize that I got to make a change. What that change is, I hadn't decided as of then. During my walk, time of thinking, contemplating, I did give thought to actually moving back to the U.S. No, I can't do that. I just don't see me there. I just don't see a future there. I would love to spend more time with my family, my big sister Colorado, and not my big sister in Colorado. My big sister's name is Colorado, and see some of my other brothers and sisters and cousins and aunts that I have not literally seen in years. And there's some relatives that were born after me moving here, so I haven't even met them. Anywho, I don't see myself living back in the United States again. So I thought of Philippines, I thought of Thailand, I thought of Kota Kinabalu. I just like saying that, so that's about as far as the thought went. Singapore, just a beautiful place. Now, I can't see myself. I can't see myself going to Japan or figuring out what accent this is. I was giving some thought to all different things. Now, while I was entertaining these thoughts bouncing around inside my empty head, I was listening to all hits, all 80s music playlist. So when I was wondering where I should go, what is his name? Murray Head's song, One Night in Bangkok, came on. I was giggling again. I looked up and looked around. For years now, the universe, or whatever you want to call it, has been pointing me toward Thailand. I'm too busy, not busy enough. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough time. What would I do when I go there? Excuses. But the universe is still pointing my way there. And now, while thinking it, and that wonderful song came on, I got to take the hint. Bad news. Now comes the difficult part of getting rid of, selling, giving away, throwing away most of everything I own. That's not easy. I know that's not easy because that's what I did when I finally, after years, I finally decided to move to Korea. Oh, bonus good news! For a limited time offer! Actually, I hope it's not limited time. Either way, bonus good news! I found my motorcycle. While I was on said thought walk, I found my motorcycle turned over on its side, helmet laying next to it, and the keys still in the ignition. My only guess is that some kids on a dare probably jumped on it and went on a joyride. I'm thankful that they did not fuck it up. I'm thankful that they did not mess it up or wreck it or anything. And even my, there's nothing wrong with the motorcycle, and even though my helmet was laying there next to it, I didn't notice any new scratches or anything, so yay Korea. Whew. This is not going to be easy. Maybe it is. I don't know. Do you want anything? I'm giving away, throwing away, and selling most everything I have. There will be updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.